Hey there, welcome to my channel. Are you planning for your big day but worried about burning a hole in your pocket? According to recent statistics, the average cost of a wedding in the USA is over $34,000. But don't worry, I've got you covered with some amazing tips to save money on your wedding. Firstly, start with a clear budget and prioritize the most important aspects, such as location, food, and photography. Instead of buying expensive wedding invitations, make use of digital invites or create your own personalized ones using free templates available online. Next up, consider DIY decorations or opting for seasonal, locally grown flowers. Also, try to stay away from peak wedding seasons as venues and vendors have inflated prices during those times. When it comes to the wedding dress, you don't necessarily have to splurge on a designer gown. You can rent a dress, buy a pre-owned one, or if you have a creative mind, design and tailor your own dress. Another option to save money is to skip hiring a wedding planner and instead, delegate responsibilities to close friends and family members. This adds a personal touch to your wedding, while also saving you a ton of money. As for the wedding food, consider going for a brunch or lunch wedding as these options are significantly cheaper than dinner. Also, instead of having a full-service bar, serve limited wine and beer options, or even signature cocktails, to save on alcohol costs. Lastly, try to eliminate any unnecessary expenses such as photo booths and extra favors for guests. Instead, provide an interactive guest book where guests can leave personal messages or DIY favors such as macarons or chocolates. In conclusion, by following these simple yet effective tips, you can save a lot of money and still have the wedding of your dreams. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more content.